In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on BandLab. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to bandlab.com and you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And then you want to click on here where it says create, and then you can of course either open up your project or create a new one. So I'm just going to create a new one for this instance. And then there we go. The first thing you want to do if you want to start recording, you want to make sure you have your microphone permissions enabled and your microphone set up inside your computer. So as you can see, I do have this. And then once you do that, you want to click on add track over here on the left. And then you want to click on voice/audio. Now, after you do this, you can then start recording by just clicking on this button up here. And as you can see over here, input is of course important as well. So you want to make sure you actually have the correct input. So for me, there's a bunch of different ones over here, and you can of course set the one that you wanna, but for me, it's gonna be this one over here. And then once you do that, you can click on this record button. And now it just started recording. As you can see, I've started recording my audio. It's noticing over here the input level. And then when you're done, you can just click on this pause button and stop altogether. And then you can see my voice recording has been complete. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.